Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that resonates with many of us: losing belly fat fast. If you're over the age of 40 and have noticed that stubborn belly fat creeping in, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the 6 golden rules that can help you shed those extra pounds and reclaim your health and confidence. We'll cover effective strategies that are not only easy to implement but also sustainable in the long run. From dietary changes to exercise routines, we'll provide you with actionable tips that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge and motivation so you can take charge of your health journey. Losing belly fat is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's crucial for your overall well-being. Excess belly fat is linked to various health issues, including heart disease and diabetes. By following these golden rules, you'll not only look better, but also feel better, boosting your energy levels and enhancing your self-esteem. So, whether you're looking to fit into your favorite jeans or simply want to feel more vibrant, this video is for you. Get ready to take notes and take action, because we're about to embark on a transformative journey together. And make sure to stick around until the end, because the last rule is often overlooked and can be the difference of you fitting into those jeans or having to go up one more size. It's crucial. So, let's get started. Rule 1. Understand your body. Understanding your body is the first crucial step in your journey to losing belly fat. Each of us has a unique body type and metabolism, which significantly influences how we respond to different fat loss strategies. For instance, some people may find that they lose weight quickly with a low-carb diet, while others might thrive on a balanced approach that includes healthy fats and carbohydrates. Recognizing your body type, whether it's ectomorph, mesomorph, or endomorph, can help you tailor your approach to fat loss more effectively. It's also essential to assess your metabolism and lifestyle. Are you naturally more active, or do you tend to lead a sedentary life? Understanding these factors can help you determine how many calories you should consume and how much exercise you need to incorporate into your routine. Personalized approaches are key when it comes to losing belly fat. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. By taking the time to understand your body and its unique needs, you can create a plan that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. This tailored approach not only makes your journey more effective, but also more enjoyable. So, take a moment to reflect on your body type and metabolism, and get ready to implement strategies that truly resonate with you. Your path to a healthier, more confident you starts here. Rule 2. Nutrition matters. When it comes to losing belly fat effectively, nutrition plays a pivotal role. A balanced diet rich in whole foods is essential for not only shedding those extra pounds, but also for maintaining overall health. Whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options. One of the biggest culprits in the battle against belly fat is sugar and processed foods. These items are often high in empty calories and can lead to weight gain, particularly around the midsection. When you consume sugary snacks and processed meals, your body tends to store excess energy as fat, making it harder to achieve your goals. By cutting back on these foods and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense options, you can significantly impact your belly fat loss journey. To maximize your results, consider incorporating meal planning and mindful eating habits into your routine. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute temptations. Additionally, practicing mindful eating, paying attention to your hunger cues and savoring each bite, can enhance your relationship with food and prevent overeating. By prioritizing nutrition, you're setting the foundation for a successful and sustainable approach to losing belly fat. Rule 3. Stay hydrated. Hydration is often an overlooked aspect of the fat loss journey, but it plays a crucial role in achieving your goals. Water is essential for digestion and metabolism, helping your body break down food and absorb nutrients efficiently. When you're well hydrated, your digestive system functions optimally, which can prevent bloating and discomfort. Additionally, staying hydrated supports your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories more effectively. One of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make is to replace sugary drinks with water. Sugary beverages, such as sodas and energy drinks, are loaded with empty calories that contribute to weight gain, particularly around the belly. By swapping these drinks for water, you not only reduce your calorie intake, but also help your body stay hydrated. If plain water feels boring, try infusing it with fruits or herbs for a refreshing twist. Beyond fat loss, Staying hydrated offers numerous benefits for your overall health. Proper hydration can improve your skin's appearance, boost your energy levels, and enhance your mood. It also plays a vital role in regulating body temperature and supporting joint health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, or more if you're active. Remember, hydration is a key component of your wellness journey, so make it a priority. By staying hydrated, you're not just supporting your fat loss efforts, you're investing in your overall health and well-being. Rule 4. Incorporate exercise. Incorporating exercise into your routine is essential for effectively targeting belly fat. A balanced approach that includes both cardio and strength training can yield the best results. Cardio exercises such as running, cycling, or swimming help burn calories and improve your cardiovascular health. These activities elevate your heart rate and can significantly contribute to fat loss, especially when performed consistently. On the other hand, strength training is equally important. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you'll burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups can be done at home or in the gym, making them accessible for everyone. Additionally, incorporating core-focused workouts such as planks and Russian twists can help strengthen the muscles around your abdomen, giving you a more toned appearance. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week, combined with 2 days of strength training. However, it's crucial to find activities that you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or joining a group fitness class, engaging in exercises you love will keep you motivated and make it easier to stick to your routine. Remember, the journey to losing belly fat is not just about the destination. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle. By incorporating a mix of cardio and strength training, you'll not only target belly fat, but also enhance your overall fitness and well-being. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving. Rule 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is a vital, yet often underestimated factor in the journey to lose belly fat. Research shows a strong relationship between sleep deprivation and weight gain. When you don't get sufficient rest, your body's hormonal balance is disrupted, leading to increased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol can trigger cravings for unhealthy foods, particularly those high in sugar and fat, making it harder to stick to your nutrition goals. Establishing a healthy sleep routine is essential for effective weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. To improve your sleep hygiene, create a calming bedtime routine that includes winding down activities such as reading or gentle stretching. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. Moreover, adequate rest is crucial for recovery and overall well-being. During sleep, your body repairs itself, builds muscle, and regulates metabolism. This restorative process is essential for anyone looking to lose belly fat, as it helps your body function optimally. Lack of sleep can lead to fatigue, making it more challenging to stay active and motivated throughout the day. Incorporating good sleep habits into your lifestyle can significantly enhance your fat loss efforts. Prioritize rest as part of your wellness journey, and you'll find that it not only supports your goals, but also improves your mood, energy levels, and overall health. So, make sleep a priority. You deserve it. Rule 6. Manage stress. This component is a crucial part of your journey to lose belly fat, as stress can significantly impact your body's ability to shed those extra pounds. It's often overlooked as well. When you experience stress, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can lead to weight gain, particularly around the abdominal area. Elevated cortisol levels can increase appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods, making it more challenging to stick to your nutrition plan. To combat this, it's essential to incorporate effective stress management techniques into your daily routine. Practices like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation. These activities not only reduce stress, but also enhance your overall mental well-being, making it easier to stay focused on your fat loss goals. Even just a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a significant difference in how you handle stress. Moreover, prioritizing mental health is vital in the fat loss journey. When you're mentally balanced, you're more likely to make healthier choices, stay motivated, and maintain consistency in your exercise and nutrition habits. Remember, weight loss is not just a physical challenge, it's also a mental one. By managing stress effectively, you'll create a more supportive environment for your body to lose belly fat. So take time for yourself, explore stress relief techniques, and remember that a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. Embrace this holistic approach, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the 6 golden rules for losing belly fat fast. To recap, we discussed the importance of understanding your body and metabolism, emphasizing that a personalized approach is key. We explored how nutrition matters, highlighting the benefits of a balanced diet rich in whole foods while reducing sugar and processed foods. Staying hydrated emerged as a crucial factor, with water playing a vital role in digestion and metabolism. We also covered the significance of incorporating exercise, combining both cardio and strength training to effectively target belly fat. Getting enough sleep was another essential rule, as quality rest supports recovery and hormonal balance. Finally, we addressed the impact of stress on weight gain, encouraging you to adopt stress management techniques like meditation and yoga. Now that you have these valuable insights, it's time to take action. Implementing these lifestyle changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and confidence. Remember, every small step counts, and consistency is key to achieving your goals. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can create a supportive community focused on achieving our health goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.